Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are diving into specific expenses that seniors have absolutely no legal obligation to pay in 2026. But here's the real kicker. A massive number of eligible older adults are still footing these bills month after month. It is not because the waivers disappeared, but simply because no one informed them. These savings do not just happen on their own. The government is not going to phone you up. Your power provider will not mail you a notice saying your balance is zero. You need to be aware of these benefits and take action yourself. So, in this video, I will break down every single one. We will cover what is included, who is eligible, the exact amount you can keep in your wallet, and the precise steps to claim it. Feel free to grab a notepad and jot down the ones that fit your situation. I can guarantee that by the time we finish, you will discover at least one money-saving program you never knew existed. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. These rules shift annually. Income thresholds change, fresh waivers become available, and application windows close. I monitor all these details so I can share them with you before the funding disappears. My subscribers always get this crucial information right on time, so subscribe now and let us get started. First up on our list is the $22.90 Medicare Part B premium. Every single month, that exact amount is taken straight out of your Social Security payments before the money even reaches your bank account. A lot of folks just assume this is an unavoidable fact of life when you are on Medicare. It absolutely is not. There are 3 federal initiatives known as Medicare Savings Programs, and they will completely cover this monthly cost for you. The most powerful one is the Qualified Medicare Beneficiary Program, or QMB. This does not just handle the Part B charge. It takes care of your deductibles, your co-pays, and your coinsurance. Basically, any standard out-of-pocket expense Medicare expects from you is wiped out. If you are unmarried and making under $1,350 a month, or married and bringing in less than $1,824, there is a very good chance you are eligible. If your earnings are slightly higher, up to $1,816 for an individual, you could still qualify for 2 alternative programs, SLMB and QI. At the very least, these will completely erase that $22.90 fee. But here's the crucial detail most folks overlook. Enrollment is never automatic. No agency signs you up. That cash will keep vanishing from your checks forever unless you submit an application. You need to call 1-800-MEDICARE or visit medicare.gov to locate your local Medicaid office and submit your paperwork. Just one form. That is all that stands between you and getting $2,434 back in your own pocket every single year. Moving on to bill number 2, the cost of your prescription medications. Many individuals with Medicare Part D believe they are fully taken care of. While you do have coverage, having insurance is a far cry from getting your prescriptions at no cost. A federal initiative called Extra Help, often referred to as the low-income subsidy, places a strict limit on your medication expenses. It caps your out-of-pocket costs at $5.10 for generic pills and $12.65 for brand name options. You will not face any premiums or deductibles. That is your absolute limit, no matter how expensive the medicine actually is. For 2026, the annual income cap to qualify for Extra Help is $23,940 for an individual, which averages out to about $2,000 each month. If your earnings fall below this amount and you have not signed up, you are throwing away hundreds of dollars every month on essential prescriptions. You can submit your application via the Social Security Administration at ssa.gov or by calling 1-800-772-1213. Plus, here's a secret shortcut. If you are already approved for any of the Medicare savings programs I mentioned earlier, like QMB, SLMB, or QI, your enrollment in Extra Help is entirely automatic. There is no need for a separate form. It activates on its own. Next up is bill number 3, your home heating and cooling expenses. I really need to highlight the urgency of this right now because since it is June 2026, time is running out faster than the last time we discussed this. The LIHEAP program, the Low-Income Home Energy Assistance Program, handles your power bills by sending money straight to your utility company. This isn't just a basic discount. It is a direct payment made to your electric or gas company for you. Right now, the window for summer cooling aid is active in the majority of states, operating strictly on a first-come, first-served basis. Once those funds dry up, the program shuts down until the following year. For instance, Pennsylvania's cutoff is June 30th. If you reside there and haven't sent in an application, you have mere days left. Nebraska and Virginia keep their applications open all summer, while Alabama is accepting them through September. Even better, if you are 60 or older, most states give you priority status, letting you apply a whole month ahead of everyone else. This is a massive deal because while LIHEAP has $4.05 billion in funding for 2026, each state burns through its budget at a different speed. Early applicants get the relief, while those who procrastinate until August often find the coffers completely empty. To find your local office, simply call 211, the National Social Services Helpline, and they will direct you to the proper agency in no time. If you qualify, you should also look into the Weatherization Assistance Program. This sister initiative sends a professional to your house to add insulation, patch up air leaks, and fix your HVAC systems entirely for free, which permanently slashes your future utility costs. You do not have to pick one over the other. You are allowed to sign up for both. Our fourth bill is a Medicare surcharge that many people pay without realizing they can completely eliminate it. It is called IRMAA, or the Income-Related Monthly Adjustment Amount. If your income crossed the threshold for a single filer back in 2024, Medicare automatically taxes an extra fee onto your standard premium. These surcharges range from $69.90 to over $443 per person every month, taken straight out of your Social Security checks. Here is why this is so unfair for retirees. Medicare looks at your tax returns from 2 years ago. So if you retired, sold a home, or had a one-time income spike in 2024, you are paying a penalty in 2026 based on money you no longer have. The fix is Form SSA 44, which is designed specifically for major life changes like retirement, a drop in income, or the loss of a spouse. You just submit it with your current earnings, and the surcharge gets reduced or dropped entirely. You have 60 days from getting your IRMAA notice to file this appeal, or you have to wait for the next annual review. You can download it at ssa.gov or pick it up at a local office. Next is Bill number 5, property taxes. If you own a home and are 65 or older, your state almost certainly has a program to reduce, freeze, or partially wipe out your tax bill, saving you hundreds or thousands of dollars annually. Here is a shocking stat from recent data. Only about 8% of the 9 million eligible seniors actually apply for property tax relief. That means over 8 million people are overpaying simply because they never filled out the paperwork. Your county assessor will not automatically apply a senior discount when you turn 65. The full bill keeps coming until you file the application yourself. Several states even updated their limits for 2026. New York raised its enhanced star income cap to $98,700. Texas expanded its homestead exemptions, and Illinois increased its senior freeze limit to $65,000. Just search your county name along with Senior Property Tax Exemption 2026 or call your local assessor's office directly. One application brings savings that last as long as you own your home. So, there is the full picture. 5 bills you can legally skip or slash in 2026. The Part B premium covered by savings programs, drug costs minimized by extra help, utility bills paid directly by LIHEAP while summer funding lasts, the IRMAA surcharge eliminated with Form SSA-44, and property tax exemptions available in every state. None of these programs will come looking for you. The government won't call, your utility company won't send a letter offering a pass, and your assessor won't apply discounts automatically. Every single one requires you to take action. That one step is the only thing standing between you and your money. Pass this along to a friend, neighbor, or family member who relies on Medicare or Social Security. One quick conversation can change their financial future for years. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.